Hello, this is Andrew Dillon, and today I'm going to create an Excel spreadsheet called Microself Products. Using Microself, I created, and the products are related to Microsoft, but I want to call it Microself to make it different and interesting. I see the product cost is already input, the names of the products, the days of bought and number of payments, so I have to do the interest payable, amount of quantity, special offer, bonus, and amount payable. And these will be quite a lot of sum tables and very complicated big ones. But the first one won't be as hard. It starts off with HLOOKUP table. So interest payable is H equals HLOOKUP. Is $6 B2 and then $G3 multiplied by B6. Drag this all and get the rest, but they're not all correct. I'm gonna have to fix that up. As you see, the things are not matched properly. Look, it is blank. I have to make sure the number of payment interest match together in the HLOOKUP. So in order to fix that, is the dollar sign have to be B2 and the G dollar sign will have to be G3, and then the answer will be fixed and correctly answered. Do the same for the rest of the tables. A lot of fixing to do, but it is, from my experience, one of the simple problems to fix in an Excel spreadsheet. Make sure the numbers are correctly on the boxes of the interest and number of payments, because they are the HLOOKUP answers for the interest payable. B3 and B2. B3 and B2. Once again, G3 and B2. Okay, that's interest payable fixed and correctly done, and that's solved. Now let's move on to the amount of quantity. Now this will require an if and and statement, so this will be very, very complex to answer. If I don't do this correctly, I won't get an answer. I'll get an official error. So it starts off with an if and and. A6, if it's more than 50, then B6 is more than 100. Brackets. Then that answer would be better quantity. Now to do an if and and again. B6 is less than 50, and B6 if it's less than 100. Bracket. Then our answer will be poor quantity. Or else another answer would be not bad quantity. Not bad quantity. And here we go, we have an answer. The first quantity of the product is very poor. As I drag all the rest, I should get different answers altogether. But here you see you have a good few better and not bad quantities. Only 2 of the products are very poor. Yes, so that's how we get a quantity answer. Very good. Now let's move on to the special offer. This will require an if statement. So it just starts off with equals if C5 is equal, no, actually C6, because that will match to the first table. So C equals C6, that's equals to Monday. Then D5 from that, the comma, bracket D5, and D6. And then multiply that by 50%. And then an if statement again. C6 is equals to Tuesday. Bracket D6 and multiply by 50% once again. Bracket a third if. This is a long sum table, so very complex. So this one is different though, by the way. So C6 is equals to Wednesday. And comma bracket D6 multiply by 50% again. Bracket, or else it's 0. And then 3 brackets. Yeah, and here we go. There was an error for a second there. I had to fix that. Some notes don't require special offer, but the first few does require special offer. That special offer complete is now it's going to be bonus. The bonus is going to be an if statement. Equals if B6, if that's more than equals 100, brackets 100 again, comma if again, A6, if that's more than equals 50, comma 50, and then comma 0 with 2 brackets. There's no bonus for the first product. Let's see the rest of them now. Yeah, some of those do require a bonus for each product. Only 2 of those products does not require a bonus. Now one more sum table to go, which is going to be amount payable. This is not an hard one, it's actually a simple sum table to do. So just equals B6 to minus bracket A6 plus G6. And that's that done, completed. Right, the next thing I want to do is create a chart that simply relates to the product and the product cost. All I have to do is just highlight the products and the product's cost. I want to create a line chart. Maybe pick a line with markers. This doesn't have a chart title. I'll have to do a chart title. So chart title above chart. I'm going to call this product price line chart. I want to get rid of the legends. So go to legends and click none. Right, that's the chart done. And that's the Excel spreadsheet completed. All the tables and all the products, all the problems solved. And inputs very good. Quantity, offer, bonus and payable, interest payable, all completed and solved. Just don't forget when you're doing the HLOOKUP, just make sure it is all matched to the forced sum table. That's matched the same dollar sign numbers. Because if they're different, it'll be not a correct answer or it'll be an error problem. So make sure you try and fix that if you can. So that's the end of this video. Thank you all for watching. I will be making a good few more Excel videos. I hope I'll keep you all in touch and I'll see you all very soon. Thank you all for watching and good luck to all of you in your future endeavours. So hope to see you all soon and thank you. Adios.